Alright, we're gonna go get some ice cream. We're gonna go meet up with FKNFAST. Gonna eat some ice cream at Braum's, yo. Yeehaw!
Was the sky high, ready to ride?
That's right.
Was the sky high, ready to ride?
Melody just created a new song while singing into a fan. And it kind of went like, beep boop bop, I'm a robot. All right, the first official ride since I got a new chain. I got me a gold chain, y'all. Okay, it's been so long since I've had a chain. The off the line torque every gear is just really boo boo. Now I got it all back. I got
to ride it. It seemed faster with chain.
All right, make sure I ain't got no stickers on my tires.
It seemed like your bike was faster.
With the chain?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it probably was.
You're about to run over a grape. Where did the grape come from?
What the? All right, let's go. Yeah, it feels good today.
Yes, nice.
High is 86. 86 is the highest today, and man, nice break from 100-degree weather. 115.
At this stop sign for mode.
I'm not even in sport mode. Okay, hold on.
Ready, set, go. I'm in sport mode all the time.
And all his face holes.
Yeah. I went into my belly button. Abandoned baby carriage.
Yeah, stroller. Beep boop bop. Mellow's a robot. Beep boop bop.
Beep boop bop. Mellow's a robot. Oh, and there they go on the Talaria XXX.
Yeah, it's gonna be stuck in our head now. It's my new favorite song. Thanks for making me that.
Hi. Beep boop bop. I'm a robot. Yep. It sure is.
I was about to say something.
Say it.
I was trying to say it to the mic.
Oh, say it to the mic.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our videos.
Yes. Super important. So we can actually turn this into something.
Yeah.
We'd like to start like an e-bike group and, encourage more families and people to get out and ride.
Oh, I forgot I can pedal into a wheelie now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my God.
Once you like and subscribe, we might be able to get a new bike.
Yeah, and give away one of our old ones or something, Never know.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
A giveaway would help. Ooh, my brakes. No.
That front one.
Bike's turning into a beagle.
Yep.
One day we were riding without cameras and Melody went, ah! And then everyone turned around like, oh, thought a dog was chasing after us.
Speed limit is 15.
Or sport mode faster to that is. behind him.
There was cops back there in the parking lot.
We can't go fast. But I can wheelie slow. I can wheelie slow.
Make sure you don't fall off, Daddy.
He's got it.
No cop, no stop.
Warn me before you stand, maybe, just in case you hit me in the face or something.
I'm in front of you. But people would think I'm driving.
People think you're driving, yeah.
We're going a fun way to Braum's, I guess. Because e-biking is always fun.
It's fun. You didn't want to at first. You wanted to take the van.
But when I started riding, it's actually very fun.
Here, I'll hit a jump for y'all.
This is really awesome.
Yeah. It's such a great experience for the kids.
We're almost to Braum, guys.
We are. You know where we're at?
Braum? And I still have my necklace on from earlier.
Your new farmer's market necklace.
Yes. Guys, we come every Saturday to the farmer's market, and you can see us there.
Are y'all still with me? Or did the camera turn off again because this camera has a problem doing that? She wants to listen to music? Oh.
Oh, really? There might be speeding.
Why are we going over here?
We're cutting through. Oh. Hi.
He rides so slow. He's not fast at all. This is Astria's old shop.
Yeah, now it's Thunderpaw's new shop. We're here at Braum's now, so Melody's gonna get her ice cream.
Yay!
And then we'll be back.
And you can have an ice cream too.
All right, y'all. We just got done eating some delicious ice cream over here at Braum's.
What flavor ice cream did you get?
Birthday cake.
Birthday cake? Did it taste like birthday cake?
No,
Did it taste like cake at all?
no. It just tasted like ice cream. But I tasted some cake in there. So I tasted a little birthday cake. No, not right here. He's so dangerous.
Dangerous. Where are we going, straight?
Following him. Wow, this is a nice little route. Cool little route.
You see his dog?
No?
Woo!
On the way,